Almost 2,500 years ago, the Chinese philosopher Confucius said, "When he learns, one knows his deficiency. When he teaches, he knows the difficulties of learning." After he knows his deficiencies, one is able to turn around and examine himself. After he knows the difficulties, he is able to stimulate himself to an effort. Hence, it is said, teaching and learning help each other. This is actually why I love teaching, the relationships I have built with my students, and how they have helped me to become a better person in every way, and I really appreciate that. My name is Yongqiang Zheng. I'm an associate professor in the College of Social Work here at George Watson's University, and before that I was a full-time faculty member and a licensed practitioner in China. I love reading, Tolkien, Frank Herbert, George R. R. Martin. Those are my favorites. I love traditional Chinese tea ceremony. It always brings a moment of peace and comfort to me. I believe the help each other principle is actually could be applied to social work as a profession as well, because we as practitioners, we start our work building a rapport with our clients, and it ends with some measurable outcomes. We need to meet the client where they are and embrace their expertise in their own lives. Only when our clients are empowered to change and grow, our competencies are developed and strengthened. The thing I'm going to write today is actually from Confucius. It's the sentence we just quoted, teaching and learning help each other. I value the relationship I've built with my students and the things I have learned from them. I have been growing alongside my students.